It's day 3 of me and my brother's trip to Florence, Italy. I got no sleep and have been up for 30 hours, but we met our tour guide and drove a couple hours to Cinque Terre. We jumped on the train and finally arrived at the cutest little town. We started hiking up the mountains and took lots of pictures. We started our 2-hour hike. It felt like it was 100 degrees. I have not sweat that much in my life, but the views were worth it. The ocean was clear, the air smelled amazing, and the views were stunning. There are only 5 little towns in Cinque Terre where only a few hundred people live. So it was definitely super fun to explore. We continued our hike and saw more incredible views. We came across this cute little lemonade stand that had the most beautiful view that seemed like it was something out of a movie and had a fresh lemon and orange slushie, and it was delicious. Then we continued our hike and we got to the next town, checking out little shops and exploring. I even shot some video that I could use for an ad for my business later. We ended the day having lunch on top of this beautiful restaurant overlooking the sea with our tour guide. I ordered some fresh pesto with pasta. I had tons of bread with olive oil, and of course my favorite, a caprese salad. It was amazing. And then we grabbed the train to head back to Florence. I continued working on my funnel hacking live presentation where I'll be teaching tens of thousands of entrepreneurs how to make funny ads. I reviewed some of the comments that we got from the funnel hacking live ad that we created recently, and some people said it was the best ad they've ever seen. If you'd like to join my community for entrepreneurs for free to see how I've built multiple 7-figure businesses while living an awesome life, go to www.freeadscourse.com.